Hello folks, welcome to another video. So in this video, we are actually going to see much more than the last video as I have promised you guys. So we are going to see the actual data that is present in the database. So if you guys haven't seen the last video, please try to see the video. This is a continuation of the last video, but still the concepts will not be that much dependent on the last video. So I'll be explaining all the concepts here also. But if you are interested, please watch the last video. So last video, I have also put some of the challenges I have faced. I don't want to fake it to you guys that I don't have any challenges when I'm doing these kind of things. I wanted to show you how much challenging it is sometimes, how much we are able to overcome the problems and then we are able to achieve it. So I have included all my mistakes also in the last video. So please pardon me and have some, please have some patience when tolerating me with the that mistakes guys in the last video. So let's start with this video. So here, this is the website. So this is actually a website, sample website that has the SQL injection vulnerability. So what we are going to do is we are going to find the appropriate table and also the information in that appropriate table, and we are going to actually find the administrator account password, and then we are going to log in as an administrator. So that is the objective. To log in as an administrator is the objective. So when I go to my account, as you can see, I don't have any account here, so I'm just someone who has not logged in. So this is the my login status I wanted to show you before also. So let's go to the website now and we'll see. So this is a general website and I don't have any login here. So we are going to get the login details from this website itself. So let's see how we can do that. So first, so I'll just go to this pets. We can go to any parameter. The vulnerability actually exists in this category, as I know already. So what we're going to do is we are going to get the list of tables here. Okay. So I'm just getting the tables. So this is the query I have to get the list of tables. And I have explained this one in the last video. If you guys want the explanation for this query, please go to the last video and watch it. So this is the table names. So as you can see, there are a lot of tables. So the tables that we are going to be interested in is actually users table. So I'm going to select the users table. You see, this is the users table, and we will see first what and all columns are present in this users table, and then we will see the actual data in the users table, and then we will try to get the credentials from the table, and then we will log in as an administrator. We'll see how to do that. So guys, this is the impact that it makes. You see the SQL injection vulnerability existing in some critical website will have a lot of impact, and this should be included in your pen testing report or as the bug bounty if you find it in some website that you are actually looking for. This is a very critical vulnerability guys, so please note it down, the technique that I'm going to use, and you can use it variations also, and it depends upon you, but please use it for only ethical purposes and no illegal things are like encouraged here. I wanted to inform you this, and if you are doing penetration testing, please kind of have a document to sign off like what and all information or service you're going to do the pen testing on, and you know the process also. So let's move on guys. So I'll just show you how to log in here. So I'm going to use this query and I'm going to replace this table. So you see what it does is it will select column name comma null from information schema columns where table name equal to this table name what we have given. I think I have selected the wrong thing. Let's do this now once again. Okay, let me close this with a comment here. So this is the query that we are going to submit, and we should be able to see the columns present in that table, users table. And as you can see, I am able to see the actual columns that is present in this table. So what I'm going to do is I need these column names in order to see what is the data that is being present. I have to construct a query similar to the query that we have already done, and we will be able to see all the user information. So in order to do that, okay, this went to the second line. That's the mistake. Okay, we'll just paste it over here, and we'll get a copy of this query. Okay. I'll tell you how to construct this query. So the actual query that we need to construct is select star or not star, select all these three columns. From table name is this table name. That's all. After that we put the comment. So that's it that is required. So what I'm going to do is instead of information schema dot columns, I'm going to put this table name. This is the table that I'm going to get the information from. So we'll paste this here. And the total where query is totally not needed since we are going to get it from only one table. And then we are going to put all the column names here. Column name, instead of column name, I'm going to put an actual column name. And with a plus, I'm going to put another column name here. I'm just going only for username and password. You can also go for email if you want. Doesn't make much difference. Anyway, we will be able to see all the data here. So this is the actual query. So let's see, let's try to submit this and we'll see if you are able to get the username and password of all the accounts present in this database. This is quite interesting. So let's find out. So this is the payload that we wanted to inject. I'm going to inject here. And as you can see guys, I'm able to get all the username and password here. So these are the username and password for this website or all the users that is present in this website. I'm going to paste it here just for reference purposes. And the one I'm searching for is this one. You can see this is the administrator username and this is the administrator password. Let's try to log in here. You can get the administrator username here. And we'll get the password here. And login. And as you can see guys, I was able to log in as an administrator here, and I am able to update my email also. I'll update the email. So I have full access to this website, web application, and the database that is present and all the tables present. As you can see, the objective is completed, so the lab is also solved. So if you find this interesting, please give a like and a share to your friends who are interested, and also please subscribe. That is my request to you, kind request to you. And I will be continuing with these videos, and you can give some feedback if you like. So thank you everyone for watching. So see you guys in the next video.